Hey folks, Ryan Gunness here. Today's video, 90 signups using the Facebook copy and paste chat script. Okay, so I actually talked to a member that sent me a message on Facebook that congratulations, they hit their 90th sign up. So we ended up having a conversation. But here is the, I'm going to pull up, let me see if I can pull it up here for you. Here's a little conversation that we had on Facebook. So he sent me a message. Hey Ryan, just sold my 90th MLM rod a couple days ago. More to come. So I say awesome, great job. And he said he just got done sharing it with someone else. And he basically said he took my copy and paste chat script and made it his own. Okay, and he said he worked on the script. He kept working on it. And he got it down to a science where pretty much people buy. So I said, cool, would love to see it. And he said, okay, cool, let's set up a time to chat, and he'll share it. And I said, is that how you're getting most of your signups? And he went on to say, yep, that's what he's doing. And he's also sold it to people in the UK, Australia, Romania, Africa, USA, and some others. Okay, so that was kind of a conversation that got my attention. And I said, cool, show me what you're doing. And obviously he's working the business. He kept working and working on it, but he went through a lot more prospects than 90 to get 90 to sign up. So he's very committed. And what he did was inside of the MLM Rod back office, the MLM Recruiter Man back office. If you go to resources, you'll see a little bit down here. Actually, the second one down, Facebook copy and paste chat script. And if you click on that there, it'll bring you, there's a little video that we have showing you how to use it. But basically it shows you how to find people on Facebook for free, going into different groups, finding people, adding them as friends. And what happens is, as you add people as friends, people are going to accept your friend request. And then it gives you the text where you can just copy the text and paste it into Facebook to start a conversation with that person. And based on their response, it tells you, it gives you check boxes. So if they respond a certain way, you checked on that, and it'll give you the next set of words to say to them. Okay, and based on their response, you'll have a couple options, and you can check on that, and it'll give you the next set of words. Well, he took this script and he tweaked it a little bit. He tweaked it to make it his own language. He played around with it till he got it down to a way that he was comfortable and a way that was working. This is a good starting point. Obviously, human beings are not completely robotic like this, but it gives you a good frame reference that you can tweak and, obviously use a little bit of intelligence when you're communicating with somebody, right? And he tweaked that to the point where he got 90 signups. Now, I did find out that a lot of those people joined him in his primary network marketing business that he's promoting, okay, but what I could confirm was I did go into his back office in MLM Recruiter Man, and I saw that he was really at 90. So that was awesome to see, and that tells me obviously he has lots of activity going on, and he can, definitely, those people come into your world where it's natural to invite them to take a look at your business and what you do and all that good stuff. All right, so that's a cool strategy. I invite you to go ahead and if you haven't played around with it, go ahead and go into your back office. Go to resources, pull up the Facebook copy and paste chat script, and go ahead and play with this. Also, if I had a lot of people from my last video say, hey, I was not familiar with that sign on the car. So we also have a sign that you can promote. That basically it's pre-printed already. It's promoting a make money message. Someone calls to listen to a 3-minute message we have developed for you with testimonies and everything. We also give you a phone number, an extension that's tied to that 3-minute message. People call in, they listen to it, they press 1, and then our system sends them a text message with the link to the video to learn about your primary business. Okay, very, very cool system. If you need to check it out, mlmrod.com. Okay, now outside of the sign, you also can get what we call drop cards. Looks like $100 bill. Okay, it gets people's attention because it looks like money. They open it up. There's a little message on how they can make more money. They call to listen to a message. Again, this is the number that we have assigned to you. They listen to that 3-minute message. They press 1. System sends them a text. Also, simultaneously, the system captures their information, sends you a text, and keeps you in the loop of everything that's going on so you can follow up with that person. Again, mlmrod.com if you want to learn more about that. I think that's also in your back office if you go to under resources, or you could do it over here. Do you hate cold calling? Learn about MLM Rod incentives. But it's also on the resource page where you can learn about the MLM Rod incentives program. Okay, so cool. Happy prospecting. Catch you on another video. Take care.